In this video, I am actually requesting LinkedIn, if you are watching this, please bring these features as soon as possible for the community, for the people, for the creators, for those who are actually building a community within their industry and also engaging with the audiences available on LinkedIn. नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आपके सारे सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग एंड ब्रांडिंग का होस्ट हूं दोस्त डिजिटल AK47। सो आज के इस वाले वीडियो पे हम बात करने वाले हैं लिंक्डइन के कुछ फीचर्स दैट वी एक्चुअली एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम लिंक्डइन टू हेल्प अस आउट एंड आल्सो ब्रिंग दिस फीचर्स एज सुन एज पॉसिबल। सो इस वीडियो को बिल्कुल भी स्किप मत कीजिएगा। इस सारे वीडियोस के टाइम लैप्स मैंने नीचे ऐड कर दिए। इफ यू वांट टू सी द स्पेसिफिक पार्ट ऑफ दिस वीडियो, यू कैन डेफिनेटली चेक आउट एंड don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content related to social media marketing, branding, both business and personal, online business, LinkedIn, and also news and practices, also some tutorials. So make sure you guys get connected and stay updated by hitting the subscribe button and also turn the bell icon to all to receive all the notification of our upcoming videos. These are the features which I request LinkedIn to bring towards its community as soon as possible. So here the features goes one by one. Dark mode. The first request for LinkedIn is dark mode. By every social media applications has the dark mode on all, both desktop and mobile. Guys, what you have been doing, please bring dark mode, at least dark UI for the mobile application at the initial stage. You can bring the desktop for later as well, and please bring dark mode because dark mode is the essential of every social media application or every app that we use, because we literally search for dark mode to help our mobile life. And also dark mode looks good, man. Dark mode literally looks good, which is so much excellent. LinkedIn, if you are watching this, please bring dark mode. And the next biggest feature I request LinkedIn to bring immediately, which is scheduling. Guys, please bring scheduling. At least bring a scheduler tool, or you can add some subscription for that. You can do everything with it, but if you bring scheduling application, it will help most of the creators on LinkedIn like me and many other creators by just delivering the content at the right time for our community, because every application literally has scheduler of their own application. For example, take Instagram and Facebook has their own scheduling application. Even Twitter has its own scheduling option on the desktop. At least if you can not give on your mobile application, at least you can have the option for desktop as well, because nothing is impossible for you, LinkedIn guys. LinkedIn, if you are watching this, please bring scheduling options for the content. If not for media, at least bring for documents or polls or text post or images. If you can't bring this for videos, it's okay, but please bring this for images and documents as soon as possible, because this is the biggest request I ask LinkedIn team to bring this feature for the LinkedIn community. And the next feature I request LinkedIn to bring as soon as possible is add an Indian region at the LinkedIn Live link. Yes, if you actually look for LinkedIn Live for region selection for live streaming, it shows every region except for even Asia is not there. Europe is there, Africa, I think, I'm not sure with Africa, but United States is there. So guys, please bring Asia, because you also have community from Asia as well, and from India. We have shown you love so much for LinkedIn. LinkedIn, if you are watching this, please bring LinkedIn Live India region under the LinkedIn Live option, because here are the locations that are available for LinkedIn Live. But guys, please add an Indian server for that. It will be much useful for streamers like me, those who actually do live streaming on LinkedIn every week to engage the community, to share some value and knowledge. So guys, please bring this LinkedIn Live Indian region, so it will be useful for most of the creators, where they can actually start streaming in LinkedIn. So LinkedIn Live is also the future for more creators. So guys, basically bring this feature for the LinkedIn Live creators like me. And the next feature which I actually request for LinkedIn is add some insights, add some analytics under creator mode. I know just creator mode is just a button where you can add only 5 hashtags, that's it. I don't see any other boosting or activity or impression creation or nothing else. You guys only have the post views, that's it. post view, because we need some analytics. We need to know how our content is actually working, how our channel is growing, how our profile is actually working among the other people, and also how we can get chance to optimize ourselves. If you're watching this, analytics is also important for our profile to grow, because yes, even though LinkedIn page has some analytics like your followers growth, your audience reach, your top locations following, yes, that's fine as of initial stage, but yes guys, we need an improvement on both profile and page analytics, especially for LinkedIn. If you're watching this, I am saying it again, please bring these features. These 4 features I am requesting for LinkedIn. And guys, if you are watching this, it's our responsibility to reach as much as people, so that LinkedIn come knows to this video and also put up some effort for this platform and adding some of the features which I have requested to LinkedIn. बस दोस्तों यही था आज का वाला वीडियो के लिए. इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, डू शेयर दिस विद योर लिंक्डइन फ्रेंड्स, पीपल, community groups, employees, everyone, so that LinkedIn comes to know about this video and bring these features as soon as possible, because other applications are already having this feature. We are very step back with these common features which you actually expect from a social media application. And if you don't know guys, I am also posting so much interviews with top creators in any industry, the Digital Brand Trader Show. I have added the playlist on my card. You can check out those interviews after this video. If I deserve a like, give it a big fat thumbs up, and don't forget to follow me on LinkedIn. We are very close. I will not say the numbers, you just see on my profile, and comment down the followers number in the comment section, so that let me know how many of you are actually interested towards my content. See you in the next video guys. Till that, get connected and stay updated.